Hello, we are here at Piega, Switzerland in Horgen. We are producing high-end loudspeakers and we are famous for our aluminum cabinets and ribbon systems. A ribbon systems is using a very light flat coil brought on a supporting material. It's very light, 0.007 grams, and it's a flat coil, also directly used as a membrane. This system, we are using it also in a coaxial layout. This is a C211, and you see this is heavy. What is heavy? Heavy is the neodymium magnets. This is a tweeter neodymium magnet. A very strong engine allows us to move the ribbon of a tweeter very fast, accelerate and break down the ribbon very quickly. The magnet field is not just from the back. We also comprime the magnet field with a front magnet. It's a push-pull system, and we focus the magnet field directly to the membrane. Here, the coaxial system, you can see with this test the moving tweeter, and here the moving mid-range part. It's a two-way system and a true point source. This is the only point source in the world. And this is a good idea in production of loudspeaker. Point source, we are famous for that one. Damping is also a question in loudspeaker production. Everything has to be damped. There's a different way to damp things. We are using a new technique with damping material brought to the surface of a backplate, for example, and this damping material is touching slightly the surface of the ribbon and damps it down. Also here, for example, it's decoupling and damping in the same time. Damping of a ringing front plate, for example, it's perfect glue, but because we are using also very strong, or even stronger back magnets, we had to adjust the glue, and we damp the plates differently right now. We are using damping rubbers brought into these segments, and we're damping down the ringing of a front plate, for example. Second key point of our company are aluminum cabinets. Aluminum cabinets are very stiff. It's an extruded aluminum. It's a one-piece cabinet, and we are using like 6 to 8 millimeters thickness of the cabinet. It's very stiff. It's important to have a stiff cabinet, and we damp down the ringing of an aluminum cabinet with damping material. This is EDCAL we were using before, and now we are using a new one. It's damping much better, and it allows us to use just one single layer to damp the cabinet. We stiffen out the cabinet with TIM modules. So this TIM module is brought into the cabinet and we tighten it pretty strong. So the stiffness of the cabinet is extremely good. Aluminum cabinets and ribbon systems like this one, point source coax C211. These are key points of our company, and this allows us to build really high-end loudspeakers.